Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Looking at Facebook daily, weekly, shorter term time frames. So we have a little bit of a double low the past 2 days, 127.37, 127.40. It's a key level because if we break it, there's a gap to fill at 126.73. So tomorrow, if we break 127.37, you can make a short-term bear trade to look to fill that gap, as that would be our next target to the downside. We have an inside candlestick on the daily time frame showing the range tightening. At this point, it is normal, healthy consolidation after the incredible move that the bulls have seen over the past 2.5 weeks. And we could pull all the way back down, and as long as we hold the 100-day moving average of 124.25, the bulls are maintaining control on this daily time frame. So bulls still very strong. They bought the dip here with a little bit of a lower wick before the close. Weekly time frame not showing us much except for that MACD bull cross waiting to follow through. Lots of momentum for the bulls still intact, and it's all about tomorrow and this inside candlestick range, 127.40 up to 128.34. Checking the shorter term time frames, we rejected from the 200 period 5-minute resistance from the high of the day, hit a low of the day. Big time bullish engulfing candlestick. We pulled back, formed a higher low by 5 cents, and then we got our little higher high. So once we got that little higher low and higher high, we know the bulls have some momentum. We then maintained that higher low pattern and saw another higher high as we headed back towards the high of the day, but couldn't get above this 200 period 5-minute resistance, as that level is going to be a key resistance to watch tomorrow as well after the inability to get over it. So a lot of choppy action towards the end of the day with the back and forth, the bulls buying the dip the past 20 minutes, but bearish action the past from pretty much 2 p.m. Eastern to 3:30 p.m. Eastern. So not a clear trading range the second half of the day, but the daily chart certainly still favors the bulls. Look at this hourly 20-period resistance with multiple rejections today. Let's zoom in real quick. That's going to be an important resistance to watch tomorrow as well, and that's currently at 128, and that's going to be lining up right with that 200 period 5-minute resistance as well. So we have two key resistances to watch, and as for support, it's that 127.40, 127.37 double low from the past 2 days that will indicate the gap fill is coming if we break those levels. So a couple key levels to be watching on Facebook. Daily chart belongs to the bulls, and we will see if we get that gap fill down to 126.73 if the bears do show up tomorrow. We'll check back in and see how it plays out. Should be some nice day trading signals tomorrow with this tightening range. I appreciate you watching. We'll play it all out tomorrow. I'll see you then.